channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Stars Handmade Creations. Today I come to you with my Tonic craft kit number 42. I'm excited. Should have taken this off before. But I've been seeing everybody haul it. And I kept telling them, like, I got it. I just ain't did my video. But I just wanted to see. You know, I like to watch everybody else. I'm trying to keep this, but it doesn't look like I'm able to do that. Sorry, y'all. There it is. I love getting these kits. I can keep this for tie back. I tell y'all that every time. That's when you're making albums or something that you want the spine and stuff not to rip. You put the tie back on there as well in the spine area. But anyway, let's open up this baby. I'm excited. Because I think it's two things in here that people got different. Oh, I'm so glad. I see one that I was like, oh, I hope I get pink. So, lucky me, I got it. All right. So, the first thing I see in here, this is one thing that people are getting different of. I think there's 4 different types that you can get. So, I got the Pure Sheen Sequence, and it's silver. Never can have enough sequence. And then the next one is the rose gold sequence. And I think this is smaller. No, they're tiny. This is rose gold. They say it's rose gold, but it looks gold. But they said rose gold. Love the 2 sequences. Never go wrong with those colors. I wish I had gotten the, I think there was like a holographic one. But that's okay. You can always order it, right? Then I see watercolor paper. Cool. Now, I do have, you know, a bigger pad of where is my, here we go. Now, dog, you know you'll stick your things are right there. I'm looking all over, and you remember I got my little thing from Tonic on my side. I like to do it, you know, big watercoloring on big paper if you want to, and then you can cut it up. But look, guys. Oh, wow. It is 300 GSM. Don't know what that is in pounds, but it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Perfect for A2 size cards. And this sucker is thick. I thought this was multiple papers. No, it's not. Oh my gosh, how many sheets you get? 15 sheets. Look how thick that is, and it's only 15 sheets, guys. Look, I don't know if y'all can see that pattern on it. But I love that when you're working with watercolor. Ooh. I wonder if they got the bigger pad. I might have to check that out. That's going to be awesome. A2 size. Then this is the other item that you could get 3 different colors. So it was a random pick. And I was like, please let me get the pink one. And I did. Yay! And this one's called Hawaiian Orchard. And it is a... Oh, you know what? I forgot. Let me pull out the... Oh! I just lifted it up. This card that comes with it. And this is called the... Where is it? Where is it? Aquaflow Dream in Color. So it's a paint pen. And what you do is... Wandy, you were wondering. This a watch, girl. You just take this part off. Y'all seen these type of things before. And then you put it in and you just keep squeezing until you hear that little pop. It'll be a little light pop. That means you've broken through the little barrier in here. And then you would squeeze it, press, press, press to get the ink to flow. I don't want to pop it right now. To go up into the brush. Because the brush should be up in there. I guess it won't come off until you pop it. But there's a brush tip on this end. So once you take this off, put it on and squeeze, turn it for it to pop, then the ink will start flowing through the bristles. So it's a paint pen. I'm loving that I got pink. All right, and then we got a cute little adhesive runner. Look at that. Look how tiny that is. I haven't used adhesive like this in a while. I usually have my big pink gun, you know, ATG gun, but I haven't used it. I've been using score tape and Nouveau glue for everything. So, but that ain't meaning that I won't use it. If I'm making a mini album, oh, definitely I use, I mean, not mini album. I often say mini album, but it's not. Anyway, I will use it if I have to. But I'm loving that they gave us one. And then they gave us a sample. Cool. Because I've been wondering about these. So that's awesome. They gave us a sample. And this is embellishment mousse. Let me see what color they say it is on here. Mini embellishment mousse. Peony pink. Everybody got this one. Look how beautiful this is. The sheen. Let me see. Has it got... Yeah, it's got that on there. But look at that beautiful pink sheen, guys. Absolutely. I'm so excited to try this. Because I got a whole bunch of them in my cart, but I want to try it. So I'm glad I got that. And then, of course, I love this. Y'all know I've been falling in love with the enamel dots. And you get one in your kit, and it's the crystal drops. And this color is carnation pink. Oh, I don't have this one. That one is beautiful. Let's put it on top. Oh, that is a beautiful pink. I might have to buy another one of these. Look how pretty. Love, love, love. Put that over there so it'll dry. Hopefully I don't touch it. And then this. I've been seeing everybody haul it, and I wanted to see exactly how small this was. And this is a embellishment tool. If I can get it open. This tool is used just like you use, if y'all know what it is, the katana. It's like to pick up your, you know, your sequins. So look how tiny this is. The little tip there, and it is sticky at the end. And so it just picks up your sequins. If you want to place it a certain, got something right there. If you want us glue, if you want to pick up, like you're putting down some stars or whatever sequence, and you want to pick it up and place it exactly on your paper, that's what that's for. And for those that's asking, what is a katana? This is katana right here. Crystal katana. And that's what she looks like. I love that it came in this case. So I could have sworn there was something sticking out of here. Feels like you done went inside. I think it was something that stuck out because I hear it moving. I must have dropped it or something, but there's like that little metal piece that stick out. I wonder if I can... Okay, let's not do it on the video. But this crystal katana, I've had that for a while. But it's the same as that, except it's tiny, very little. And then, of course, we love the papers. And drop peanuts all over the floor. Alright, so let's move this over here. And then we'll get to this magnificent die set. Alright, so they only give you, when you get a kit, they give you one of, like a, they're giving you what they think will look good with this die set. So here I can tell this is a mirror card, but it is a satin finish. So let's see what it is. This one is gold pearl. This is the craft card, and this is mustard yellow. And then we got a pearlescent card, and this is lemon luster. I have this one, so that's awesome. That one's double-sided as well. Now, when we say double-sided for Tonic, that means it goes all the way through. It doesn't have a white core, so that's awesome. Then we have this mirror card that is satin finish, pink chiffon, and I have that one as well. Let's see, what color is this? This one is a classic card, coral pink. I think I have that one. Then I have this coral classic card, and this one is buttermilk yellow. Then we got a specialty card, which I know I have this one. It has the little bitty hearts on it. And this specialty card is called Coral Confetti. Absolutely love this one. And this one is made out of cotton. So it's pressed cotton, guys. So you can see it on the back as well. So if you wanted to use the back, you could. And then last but certainly not least, I do not have this one, but I will have to order it. Look at that beautiful design pressed in this paper. So this is specialty card honey gold roses. I will have to buy more of that. This is so beautiful. I love that rose impression. Gorgeous, gorgeous palette. Screams spring to me. So let's get down to the nitty gritty with this here. All right, so I was very excited to learn that I got the binder. Yay! So every third kit comes with another binder, guys. And someone said that, I think they say don't put more than 3 in there. Just depends on how thick it is. I mean, you know, but I'm going to try to put as many as I can without tearing the binder. But I know that every third, I'll get another one. So this is awesome. I absolutely love it. Very nice. Yes. So now I can put the ones that I got already in there. Look at that. Super cool. All right. Let's move that to the side. So this is the craft kit number 42. It comes with the sticker. You know they have stickers on all of them. This one is Live Life in Full Bloom. Still haven't decided what I'm going to do with these little stickers, but I'm keeping them with the kit, so I know that much. All right, so with this one, we get this sticker. Stamp set. I love this one. It has Spring Fever, and it has a little rainbow on top. Some butterflies. Spring is in the air. Hello, spring. Live life in full bloom. Love it. Springtime. If friends were flowers, I would pick you. The first blooms of spring always make my heart sing. Spring has sprung. Here's to lots of sunny days to come. So nice. Love, love, love it. By the way, they're having a monthly sale. It's for the paper shop. Up to 60% off all card and paper. Uh-oh. Then there's a big spring sale. Starts April 19th. Uh-oh. April 19th, guys. I don't need no more paper. I do want this one, though. All right. So, with this die set, look how nice. Here's a flag banner where you could put these in here. When you cut it out, those fit perfectly. Love it. This is a die that says spring, and it also has a shadow effect. We have 2 flowers. So you got one that's the background and then one that's the intricate petal for the top. Same with the teeny tiny one. This flower is so pretty. It has butterflies. Let's turn it this way. Butterflies, flowers. There's another butterfly. But this only cuts into the paper. So you will have to snip it and then snip it to have that other part come off. And this is embedded in the side of your paper. That is so nice. Then this is the wreath. So it looks like we got a bigger flower. So we do have 3 different sizes. Of course, it has the solid piece and then 2. Yeah, that looks like 2. So you got this medium and then the smaller one for the inside. Let me see if it has that for the smaller one. No. So this is the only one that has 3 layers. Then you have the butterflies. Cool. So if you stamp them, no. That doesn't match up. I'm finna say, oh, you stamp them, then you can do that. They don't match up. I don't know why they did that. It should have matched up. Yeah, it doesn't match. I don't know why they did that. But anyway, you can still, they're very tiny. So you can just paint whatever or color or use your pattern paper. Solid, doesn't matter. I love butterflies. All right, so on this side of the wreath, it has, I don't know what kind of flower that is. Peony? No, not peony. I don't know. But it's a flowers all the way around. It's like a wreath. You know, it has the half of a wreath. But it does have 3 layers. So, this layer is the outer layer is the shadow. Then there's another one on the inside. So you will cut that one out when you want to cut this delicate part here into it. And then back it. Or you can use all 3. Do a solid another solid for the back, and then cut this out and have this color shining through the holes. Now that's nice. And then here's another flower. I think this is a daisy. And it has lots of flowers, look like some tulips. And this one as well has 3 layers. So this is going to be a nice die set to play with. Absolutely love it. It is so pretty. So this is my, oh, here's some examples. Cool. Forgot to show y'all that. So this is the one I was talking about where you cut into the paper and then snip it off at the end. So you just have that part. And there's one of the half of the wreaths. And then they use the flowers here. So pretty, guys. Absolutely love this kit. So y'all let me know what you think. Did y'all sign up for any of the monthly kits? This is so pretty. I absolutely love it. Don't want to move my Nuvo drops. Might mess them up. Y'all let me know what you think, guys. I can't wait to play with this. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.